I have found that the best way to save money is not to spend it on things I don't love, I don't need, or things that don't add value to my life. If any item I own still serves its purpose, isn't broken or worn out, I don't replace it. I buy used cars because the inflated price for a new car smell just isn't worth it to me. My current car is 13 years old and going strong. An older car gets me where I need to go, just as well as a new car. I don't buy things just because it happens to be on sale. Buying something because it's 30% off isn't saving me money because I spend 70% on something I didn't need.